Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add a custom widget in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to add a custom widget to your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your Play Store app and here just go for search and search for this app which is KWGT or custom widget maker. You must have to install this app to your phone. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. Now you just have to wait for its installation. Then we'll have a simple setup. After installation, you must have to tap on open to open the app. And here, just tap on let's go, then next, then allow some permissions, then select folder. And here you must have to select any folder. Let's see, I'm going to select download from here and then tap on create new folder. And here you must have to create a folder as I'm going to create KWG. Just tap on OK, then select use this folder and then allow, then select use it, then select close. And after doing that, you must have to tap and hold on any empty place on your home screen. Select widgets from here and then just look for KWGT just like that. Just tap on it and here just look any widget. Pick any widget from here. And I'm going to select this one. Just like that. Here you can easily resize it if you want. Just tap on it to set up your widget. Here you will get different widgets. You can easily set up a custom widget which you want. As let's see, I'm going to add this one. Just tap on it, then tap on OK, then OK again. And from here, you can easily resize it if you want. Then tap on the save icon, and it will be saved. So that's how you can easily add custom widget into your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.